How to check active ads running on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can view active ads on your Instagram. So now, let's begin. First, open up your Instagram. Now, after you're on your Instagram, go to your profile. Now, you need to make sure that it's not your personal account. It's either a professional account, as you know, a creator's account, or a business account. So after your account is set, tap on these three lines on the top right. Now after you are there, you'll need to scroll down till you see for professional section, and right there you will see creator tools and contents. Now tap on it, and right there you will see ad payments, ad placements, branded content, and so much more. Now to see your active ads, you'll need to go to partnership ads, and right there you will see your view ads and insights, and under there you will see active ads. Tap on it, and here you will be able to see all of your active ads, and you can even see your inactive ads. So this is basically how you see your active ads on Instagram, guys, and that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.